Okay. We're making noise? Okay, here we go. Okay, what are we making, Julius? Julius, we're making a birdhouse? Say it again. All right, this is a birdhouse we're making for mommy. Okay, sit back. Here's our materials. We have 1.5 inch finishing nails, and we have Julius's baby hammer. Beautiful.
Yours.
Okay, ready? Okay, what pieces do we have here? How should we start it?
We need instructions to do.
Oh, we need instructions? No, we don't need instructions. No. Let's do... Whoa, 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 that's gonna break it. You silly guy, settle down. Tap it. Okay, good. Daddy, finish it off. This one. Beautiful job, buddy. High five. Yeah.
Yes, no.
Okay. Can you pat Daddy a couple nails?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Nice job. Okay, that's enough. That's all we need. You practicing? I'm gonna have you finish these ones off. Okay, finish these nails off. Good job. Now tap those ones in. Like that. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. Good. Now do that one. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Not too hard. Tap it. Go. Just tap. Like this. Come on. Like this. Okay. Good job. We gotta line it up just right. Okay. Okay. Pass me a nail. Thank you. 2 nails. Yeah. Very good. We're not professional birdhouse makers, are we, Julius?
We did it.
Yay! Good job, buddy.
Ow, ow,
Are you okay? Are you okay? Did you hit your head? Did you hit your head? You gotta be careful. Did you hit your head? Sorry. Here. Okay, we're almost finished this birdhouse. You wanna help me do these last 2 nails? Your head? Okay, tap that one in. Tap it in. Hey, careful. Channel down.
It's a nose.
What do you say? Thank you. Yeah, would you have fun? You have to.
Let's send outside for the bird.
You want to set them outside for the birds? Yeah, it's raining. It's cold. Okay, let's go put them. Where do you want to put them? In the front yard or the backyard? Oh, it's really raining, buddy. Want to put them on the front step? Come on, let's go, come on! Ah! Come on! Come on! Let's put them right here. Right here. Put them up. Put them on this step. Put them right here. Yes, nice job. Oh, you want them up next to Daddy's? I'll help you a little bit there. What do you? Whoa! Perfect birdhouses. I don't know where the birds are. They have to come. Okay, come on. Let's go back in the garage. Then we'll go inside and warm up. That door's locked. Come.